Bafana Bafana head coach Hugo Broos has heaped praise on Orlando Pirates defender Nkosinathi Sibisi, highlighting his leadership and professionalism following South Africa's recent international friendlies. The national team played 2 matches during the June international break, first holding Tanzania to a goalless draw on Friday at the new Potamagaba Stadium, before claiming a convincing 2-0 victory over Mozambique on Tuesday night at the same venue. Broos fielded an experimental squad for this window, opting to rest all Mamelodi Sundowns players due to their Club World Cup commitments in the United States. This decision opened the door for several newcomers to don the Bafana Bafana jersey, with the coach expressing satisfaction over the fresh energy and performances they brought. Among a relatively inexperienced group, a few familiar names remained. Ricardo Goss, Nico Mupi, Sipho Chain, Fawaz Basatin, Talente Mbata, Oswin Napolis, Relobohile Mofokeng, and Sibisi. Sibisi, who wore the captain's armband on Tuesday, emerged as a standout not just for his performance on the field, but also for the composure and stability he brought to the team. Broos made it clear that Sibisi's leadership goes beyond words, and said leadership is not about always having a big mouth. Sometimes you have captain who talk a lot, but those two, Ronwen Williams and Sibisi, they are not guys who talk too much, but the way they carry themselves earns them the respect of everyone around them. The Belgian mentor emphasized that while Williams has long been regarded as a natural leader, Sibisi's consistent professionalism since Hugo Broos took over has not gone unnoticed, and said he's been with us from day one. I know this guy, there's no better professional than Sibisi. And because of who he is and the attitude he brings, his teammates respect him. You see that presence. He doesn't need to shout to be heard. Hugo explained that his decision to start Sibisi on Tuesday was twofold. The defender didn't feature in the match against Tanzania and was also needed to help ease 19-year-old debut Mbekezeli Mbogazi into the side, and said Mbogazi felt confident because Sibisi was next to him. It was the right choice to make him captain. As Bafana Bafana continue to build toward future competitions, Sibisi's quiet authority and seasoned presence may well prove invaluable in nurturing South Africa's next generation of talent. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.